Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to look at the Porsche GT3 RS 997 generation made by Welly at the 1/18 scale. This model is made out of metal and has all full openings that we're going to check soon. So in the front we have the headlights looking very good, as all Welly do. Sadly the turn signal, you can see the rivet there, and that's not very pleasant. We have the Porsche logo there, and also we have the grills in the front that are not perforated. Also we have the radiators here. We have the front splitter in black, and that's about it in the front. Next, let's check out the side. We have the RS logo there in the center cap. Also we have the blackout rims. Sadly the brake disc doesn't move with the wheel, and it's bolted to the brake caliper. Both don't look that spectacular. Also here is the tire pattern, as all Porsche GT3 and GT3 RS made by Welly. We have suspension on this model. Also the direction works. Next we have the wing mirror that is blacked out. Also I love the spec of this car, green with the black written on the side. Again in the back we have the same thing, the suspension. Also the brake disc doesn't move with the wheel. In the back, the stop lights, it's irritating that you can see the rivet there, which they are put in place. I like very much the wing. I would have loved if they did it in the carbon fiber pattern. We have some excess glue here around the wing. Also we have the GT3 RS logo there, the license plate with GT3 RS. I love the blackout exhaust on this model. Let's check out underneath the model. We have some details in the front here, and we have some details in the back. This is just like the GT3, also made by Welly. The exhaust and the bottom of the engine. Next, let's look at the front. A lot of plastic in the front. Is the same mold as the GT3. We have the dog leg hinges. Don't do any justice for the model. Also all the openings have these hinges. We have the Porsche written there, but other than that, not many details, just a lot of plastic. Let's check out the interior. So in the interior, again, the same dog leg hinges as I mentioned earlier. We have the steering wheel that moves with the direction. Also, I like the stitching on the steering wheel, that yellow stitching. No carpet in this model, and also the seat belts are made of plastic. We have a few details on the center console. Let me show you on this other side. And the nav, this model is basically the same as the GT3. It's the same interior, no modifications, which is a bit annoying. I like the roll cage in the back. They made it green as the exterior of the car, but other than that, it's just the same as the GT3. Let's check out the back as well. Let me remove this. again, just like a GT3, they use the same mold, so not many details, but you would expect from a Porsche, having the engine in the back. They usually don't show that much of the engine. Also, a fun fact, my model just came with another wing. I don't know if Welly put it there intentionally, because it's an item that gets broken a lot, or they just misplaced it in the box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Also, please leave a comment if you have this model, or are you intending to buy this model. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.